say na the skills application say me what skills be na person be more UK and na dodo na nso mo nso nyame adom wotime be companies na me apply for sponsorship license in the ya almost me invite people to come and work for them no so na lawyer Patrick aka ho asem na dodo na nso e be some questions. We have just about 10 minutes to go back. Ubetumi assign afre, ubetumi afre lawyer Patrick Oka, ewa ha, ubetumi eyiwo mwaye, ebeyiwo mwaye. Lawyer Patrick, answer na ye can say obi be because tipo and I believe say maybe people might think say ye program ye. Also now can member the same. Me a friend I may set it up. Me human many premises. I've insured the company. It's a new legit company. I may set it up. Mr. Person, me taking this opportunity to fill the vacancy in the new setup. I may. And Minisa AI when I pay you can say code no mini me need those things no but I take all the checks. Me say I've got the registration, I've got the liability insurance, I've got it's a genuine company, I've got a company account, I may register so VAT, you know. So with this new setup, you know, how do I go about it? Or send me to be proved to the home office, say, yes, I'm here to stay until me to me apply, I confirm for behave me. And I said I have limitation when it comes to this opportunity.
Right. So, question now, what we say will fall into maybe a friend of startup, you know. Do we a startup? Ideally, you should have been running for about 18 months. And Sana, what to me, I decide, man, the requirements are because I won't do 18 months, no, a dozen. But we a startup. The minimum duration is a business has been running for about 18 months. To me, actually, say we are well established. Say, kase kofa we bra, ubenya sa and yemani na wo and one cardena, to me, at the actual money.
Okay, Matthias here. And next question, one said I mean or something about care workers, no. One said with the nurses one any care no or more English language be or more trouble back home. But when I want to take an opportunity, I was skills worker, yeah, okay, so maybe care management, you know, under this particular routine. Do they still have to go and write the IELTS test? And now some they can skip that because may be a care work, you know, now may employ people, not say nurses, but I'm just employing them. It could be domestic in my company, it could be any just giving the care, but not nurses. In fact,
Well, yes. In fact, so be or free Ghana background. Now I degree that into only degree into no. Obey me, I ENIC conversion, I comparability test, and I said I did comparability statement from ENIC. I think it's only a friend or narrative back then, but because of EU, it changes into no, it's changed now. But yes, the same thing. Ombe statement no to indicate say indeed or course now it was taught in English a meaty UK standard no almost no. So sanity then you would be okay with that unless otherwise with nurses no so specific aptitude test now to pass that to say indeed what go through process that is on the side because nurses for no was a specific aptitude test now or more a year now or more they more qualified so more backroom yeah.
Okay, and yes, sir, because our test, any computer based way, put off, and that from so the word in ye. If there is another channel, or make to me ask people, even though it shows your competence in the field now, they try and kakra, Miss Sumali Patena. Akwa na nipa tu pe na apase nti no say adane adwendwen ama omododo na nti yenko ye metiefo ene ya beka skills kwan a ye befa so wo skill bi na opese obeye adwuma wo krom ha kwan a wo befa so na wa apply na wo de aba Now, when it comes to the applications, you see, I'm meeting Ghana. Meeting Ghana, no, my take self, you see, I didn't come person me take advantage na me so me dey. So, from the basics, no steps I me said. First of all, I have to go online and search for not just a maker from Ghana or if you Ghana na neighbor.
Yeah.
So I have to go online. It's a for mutie me a Mr. Mutie ahani ye pa. First of all, meko online. Then I'll search for sponsorship companies. What sponsorship license list and so. Now, my searching for the field me feel say me was skilled, no, but just any clients no. And then I apply, say, advertising any vacancy in that particular field now. Then I apply for it. Now, I feel it's a find it's be family. Now, so afa no the certificate of sponsorship
yeah.
code no, and the amount na me the atuma application anymore. Now, yemba no accommodation. And send a faster process, yemba no accommodation. Say company no is not willing to give you accommodation, or say we show efficacy mo and as our application mo say uba first month or two no baby a ubetumi atena and I was kebia ubetumi di ahwe ho abrevia company uba ye na nyese odu ye na na etua wo kan facho oho no ubetumi apapa mu kakra de amai.
Yes, Manye, that is true. Very, very good question. Yes, indeed. So, bar, you know, I think I will share you must see in 3 hours. And you know, the expectation is that bar, bibia, a year in Siachiba, ujina so otreno, and sana when your first paycheck. And the minimum we're looking at about 1,270. Obetimi the actually say and only unsi achiba sika ekutawa ode betwen say oba o settle down and san etuauka. However, say bia na nipa offer wadwuma no ono wa ya arrangement also be ma wo ebia initial payment kra sana wadwuma no kra no onya o first paycheck, which is very fine. Nti no obi bia eno soso no wani da so say oba adwuma ru an be ma osika ebia obema oba bia tina very man say emfa say obi ba be ye care home adwuma ebia na care home no kra no obeye living nti sa living no or accommodation baby a ote ye adwuma na ho ana ebia ote nti o sa accommodation no kra twen na dada nti that burden no comes off you ebia na wo obi wo ha ote krom ha or baby a obetimi age wo ama waso ho, so that's fine as well. If not there, wakope one small room be shared accommodation mu na watuaka usika wo ho a odi be maintain wo ho at least be keep for a month a obey adwuma ye betua oka ti wo sa nema we nyina obey so me sure say watoto ko bi kakra wato onya to kakra wato ntos kakra age onwura mu nam kakra ntino enya afi na wobeko African market akototo sa nema ni nyina wadi udwa kakra ansana odeba ntino eno be sustain o for abia yemfa ne say sa month na wobeye adwuma na ansana o first paycheck aba ama watimi use the abo ho bra. Yes.
Okay, yeah, better was say. Me one question, and I'm break. No, me visa me question kakrana. I feel the empha curtains number close. I'll say good morning. I believe this is from Hand Blood. I'll say good morning, please. A friend is a dependent on his PhD student wife in the UK with their 3 young children and our 3-year children. I mean, it could be spelling or but I believe that 3 young children all come. The problem is that they are to renew their visa. The cost with just one application form and NHS charges alone is well over 15,000 altogether for the family of 5, not just 3 children. Please, can they apply for a fee waiver in this case? I said no, the 15,000. Hey, Patrick, how much may you be?
Well, it's a very difficult question, Manye. And there are so many things in there, even though our question no etisano. And never be in the sense that Number one, or nkwala omo yen nkwala nketwa o krum ha. Na bear in mind say o PhD no under tier 4 obi a oba ha as a student na waye o PhD awie mun na mbeka ya aban aye nhihye say uwie o course no uwie PhD na mpo betimi atena krum ha 3 years or so na odi apajuma na waye adwuma o krum ha. Until you are saying say you meet all of the requirements na yeah nhihye no they are to ho. So now then you are telling us that you don't meet the requirements. But when I say there could be something in there and say, for instance, ebia in kwalaya ya wo mu ikra no ye be wo mu okrum ha ye nim wo mu mfie but ebia o matena krum ha for ye fan say 7 years and above and I say o mo ba ye kra no because of omo papa school a wabekọ nyina no ye top na apa o ma betina o mo di more than 7 years e wo krum ha. So wo hwɛ mu a that is say san kola no kra no o ma be qualifying children.
Okay.
It is a year application on the basis of qualifying children there. Then there will be a human rights element in there. It is a human rights element what the fee waiver policy no HSA say year application those elements no more. Then nobody a fee waiver application. So it's a very tricky and somewhat very good question. A novel, we can explore that. Now you say, you know, the nuances now, ma church, you know, you bet me afa no so na ye de aboa ye nue ya. Yeah.
I see, or maybe 3 years to do.
And
under 3 years, let us say, hey, now that 3 years in Palamians, I mean, yes, oh, every year they are now you cry, they say. Well, please, they are only 3 years in the UK. They are all minors.
Okay, into no, into the nyesa nkwala no na every 3 years, but omo ba UK no omo nya 3 years, but which means they've not been here for at least 7 years. Omo ye nkwala no omo entina ha for 7 years. You can say nko material. You know, it's a very tough. Your friend is saying area or person to explore now. Because of the student, your friends and visa no requirements, you know, or restrictions. Unfair office now. You the circumstance, no. You say if there are any other areas that you bet me I explore now the Abuana. It's a very difficult situation because £15,000 for all of you, and this would include application fees and the IHS. It's a lot of money. And it's not be brain now, but Rebecca said, you feel waiver. We need to look into the situation. No, now I say, Bibi or why bet me I the Abuana.
Okay, you or Betsy or Tia were online as well. Into the Patrick, yeah, the baby, yes, but rather unfortunately, saying yeah, they 10 minutes break, you know. But one question my promising to say make this into me bisa na yemfa emba ebi yeah it's here for mutie and what tuning in there sorry say a call off already and no tuning in radio off but more Facebook and YouTube I think say you still have the opportunity to listen to the viewers like Patrick Ebeka and Sana Ifi yeah sorry and also not your call into question in your say please ask lawyer for me I have applied for citizenship with my ILR. Please, the 6 months has gone past. Please, can the lawyer tell me which email to use to write to the Home Office? They wrote to me and apologized for the delay. What's my chance of getting citizenship? Though I have ILR. No, thank you very much. Patron, the question, and Ebisa Aman.
Okay, yo man, yeah. I think that delays in there. So we can be there. One way, over home office now. Or the ma alcohol no makobo. But unfortunately, no, and yeah, almost fault as such. Because bear in mind, say, coronavirus, bam pofrimu. Wa brana ye ni na ye honso. Ma ye shate, and yama be break down. The pray ye nyina ye nkwa ansana. And ye ba say ye ba back no na afi no enema ya ye nyina no abe create backlog e wo ho And even though systems need be shut down, institutions need be close to any other, na be bring na year juma from fee. Yes, na year juma. Into no na applications are essentially ye nyina no na ye ni nyina. Ni nyina compile up at the train home office. Ama sabre omo ye ehun adwuma nkakrakra. And that is the reason why be bring na application akoche. Because ebi wo ho a na afei na odi queue so case workers no obi case and san about do so a process. It is taking time, but we've seen results best and then nanso say for 3 or so and almost citizenship certificate even though na a check akra into no a sanity after 6 months yes, you can write to them to say what you know unfortunately a delay ama omatimi actually the entire a delay, but you know the likelihood is say a delay because more challenges with your friend is saying more resources are the a jumano, but nonetheless no still not so person through omatimi actually UKBA your friend said PAP response team na money in why yes as there or so much on return your friend is saying response mail and answer letter and fan come on back through that postal address and answer email now also now and daily with the case no, but so baby me there from where I sit now make out and say onya about yes 6 months about but no time kakra said application now I you know why bibia kama menim so no na ye ya na so de ma lawyer but bibia ye kama ma onsuru se you know bibia kocho bibia ye kama onya reshimu se ebeba bibia be okay ntino onya abotre kakra ma o.
Okay, you Patrick Bedawasi. Therefore, I had a deal with me, baby, and me pamo shop say break nearby, more fun and a technical issue here. I said nature corner, on to me in Yahoo controls to me back for free na one managing a fiddy at top and so. Now, answer na you go Patrick. Wait, me pay yes or no answer now or tonight, young fan to us. Many of them may see our delivery company or your delivery company or deliver our Krumuha. Now, Namia, I don't year over 2 years. Namia, I don't want to top van, they 4 and now 5 come. Just say Christmas, be Dumano, every boost. And you will be say, obey to me using the delivery company, no, and their cover drivers. About the kind of vans now, what top 5 years or another thing in delivery company, no, or bet me up for 4 Abba, and I know the on the route and on the line. But so, yes or no,
right, so our delivery company, but one share so was sponsorship license and so only license I won't even conform so that's the starting point. The other issue is say omo free Ghana ban omukuta Ghana driving license so we do kroma ultimate driver unless waba test will kruma no pass it and sana what me drive. So there are impediments in there. The issues no better also.
Yes, Otuna Yabeka was a papa, every why, and Otuna Yabek if we na yakan ya woho na Eddie so pan over pass or apply for sponsorship license, and unioma papers in end up paying one, we can't papers and let us say, Nioma la party who bob or swinging either paying one, VAT, or can you say registration, I mean, your statement, any other thing, and I pay a share the other way, so why? It's for the better must. Say a biom say makaya home ye shade my dinner say na still a poor breaking po muda so train ya my samba back enti nyame enka mo ho nyame enhira obibia ano pay ya be queen and sana ya be queen sremo otna the community and the law no e baso den nyame ya aduma no the nkwani chair ebeba so 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock will BWF solicitors for on Facebook on YouTube on all the social handles na so live many of them are reku bedi mu akotena nti no watch out we did say topic here can broad questions are me listening I mean to me and be say mo half po into no you be true and you said definitely they be be wo question a wo pese obisa however no so question bi a wo pese obisa wa de hu na because of time bi e want when ya no test bread me number no na ochina betumi ebisa e de amount ya me nka obi bia ho BWF solicitors who hwehwe o betira kwan mo 214 to 218 high risk and sisters but modia na ko hu omo ye I will tell you they are the best in town so far me obi a oni omo edina enti no mbo modia ko hu omo na omo di dwumi na la Patrick ye be sorry ye na so eni die mo this week dey na emphasize photo game ansa na yakọ
Yo manye right the Becca your community in the TF and say this would not be the last time this area of the immigration rules no your Becca wants them. And the reason why yes and say your percent or month or your community no who say and yet quite back up any fossil at the back room ha na yenya asetena editor si wo krom ha. Say, oh yes, skilled worker visa application na. Ema ho kwan ma o de oyire ene wo maba. Nti wohwe mu a na che say emu ye. Se oba na wabedia 5 years a. Uti se obi a waware obi a oyɛ settled person na waba kroma. Utimi nya indefinite edit na kroma. Nti na ye route a very important ɛsɛ ye koso bo ho daru. Na ye kyerɛkyerɛ mu ma ɛyɛ ntiase no etimi ɛtɔ asomu te sɛ ne bebre na ate ɛyɛ appendix FM any EU emrana se no. This is the idea sabre ɛno nti no ye penny ahyɛ sɛ yɛmfa saa sudi no ɛmfa nto yɛ ho so. Na yɛm breaking it down ma obia nya ntiase no hu sɛ eya kwanja sronko a aba beto ho a emugo a bebre na betimi afa so aba krom ha abenya setena atenase nti yen explore na yemfa yeni nhwe eye baby ba kope na other routes na aka no yen hwe ho so I think say the difficulty no eye omo Ghana no say omo behwehwe employer or yes sponsor and also say ombehwehwe vacancy no but so you obi a wani abre na say ope adwuma na ope kwanye to a na ompese obekwa akobọ kabia sebe eye kahunu bi a then this is a golden opportunity I think say it's say uhuri na usomu twe na o explore wadaje keke na obesey e dia ye search no on the internet. And then you will global village. Into bibia o hwebia you only need a bia or phone or tablet or PC and or internet and you'll be able to find Saadiano online. Excuse me. Into yebe pamocha say monye Saadiano mon spend time kakra time na mo dey Facebook and WhatsApp no. Mon fanye search on Google. Sorry, pardon me. Mofanya search ewo Google. Na Google nchiremo all of the sponsors no any more license near the adini no. Na monye application through omo vacancies no. Na munya kwan na mombra. Mo ba, monfa nkwala no bra. Mo ba, monfa boho kafo no so emra. Na munyina mo be establish mo na mo di 5 years betimi apply for indefinite leave to remain na matna kromoha etimanye na kakra wo ho no I think say the aka no ye de be share fridge mu na ochina nyame bo a ye de ice and go so on community and the law with Oreku Owusu Frimpong nyame ya adoma
yo la ba ti bien so ye be da wase tiefo e na waka ni nyina no mommy enko online yen search yen so ebetumi aye bi aboa mo na ye bi atikra say a portrait farmers no mo hian crop for den ya take ni ya aye Christmas na bi
Yeah.
Nti no ne nyinaa mo me search na ye mba wo so ko kwanya so betumi aboa obi a bo modern aboa no with the search no sometimes e kro mo ya na data ne to so na ye be de wo ho nti no ye mboa aboa omo na omo ntumi ento anamo emfa embra na omo beye edwuma no yo SMP wo ho ye ntumi ensi even we can be enwie na otena na me adoma the community and the law no the mama de enyi bi ego nyame adoma next week and so aha the same time same place the besa ehie bio na ye dey same say abama kwante monte and can be fine I mean come home na the weekend they have a blessed weekend enjoy yourself menye mbo de na mo fa nyame hira entina bida mo nyina ase da particular ase ye da team ni nyina so ase nyame adoma akotena ibishia.
Okay, Manye, God bless you. God bless you. Pleasant weekend. Thank you.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernardo Wusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP. Just a short walk from Seven Sisters Underground.